So dear students, welcome again in this lecture. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं पिछले लेक्चर में हमने मेंडलिज्म का जो लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट पढ़ा। पहले हमने डाईहाइब्रिड ग्राफ्स पढ़ा और उसके बाद मैंने डिटेल अकाउंट ऑन लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट बताया। तो तथ मज वन मे जन लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट यह स्टेट कर यम सात टू पेयर्स ऑफ ट्रेट्स कंबाइन कर F1 हाइब्रिडस मज तो पत सपरेट सेग्रीगेट या सपरेट इंडिपेंडेंटली या कस पे डिपेंडेंस थवन। सो दैट वाज डिस्कस इन डिटेल। तो तम पतन पजाय बे मल्टीपल एलील्स पजाय या को डोमिनेंस पजाय पे सह डिस्कस करने खतर एग्जाम्पल ABO ब्लड ग्रुप अब पजाय तमन मुतलिक ABO ब्लड ग्रुप क्या गो इन क्या A ग्रुप वन B या A पॉजिटिव A नेगेटिव। सो दैट वाज डिस्कस इन डिटेल। तो अम पतन वो ब्याख हालांकि मेंडलिज्मस मज क्या मगर वो टॉपिकस मज पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस अजुक टॉपिक वी हैव टू डिस्कस दिस दैट पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस। तो अगर तुम ओताम वो पजाय मेंडल्स इनहेरिटेंस तथ मज बचाए प्रत कुन ट्रेट खतर या प्रत कुन कैरेक्टर खतर देयर वर टू alleles or two genes were Mendel my factor. For example, is no tall khatr there are two factors capital T and capital T. For example, is no dark plant for that there are two factors small t. Yeah, actually round seeds for that there are two factors. In a या दोमें अल्फाजन मज वो मेंडल्स इनहेरिटेंस तथ मज यह हसा प्रत कह कैरेक्टर इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय टू एलील्स या वन जीन वनो या दोमें अल्फाजन अस आल्सो कॉल्ड एज मोनोजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस। द मेंडल्स इनहेरिटेंस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज मोनोजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस। ये कुछ साथ ऑब्जेक्ट चाहे बोर्डस मज या नीटस मज मेंडल्स इनहेरिटेंस दिस इज कॉल्ड एज monogenic inheritance and a character in substance it is controlled by one gene or two alleles. ठीक as a अच्छे fun monogenic inheritance. Yeah, this is also called as qualitative inheritance. This is also called as qualitative inheritance. And in Mendel's inheritance isn't it? वो तो है कि monogenic inheritance में तो qualitative inheritance वो कुछ साथ है objective थी। The Mendelis inheritance is also called as monogenic inheritance or it's also called as qualitative inheritance. वो उताम आए विष्णु हमसे तो Mendelian का study कर use का trait new character तो मुझे तब there is single gene for single trait, there is one gene for one character, so there are two alleles for one character। मगर पतिम से तो ब्रॉन्ड पूरे विष्णु क्या कैरेक्टर या क्या ट्रेट्स आए तम ती वुश्न यम जन कंट्रोल करने खतर देयर आर मोर देन टू जीन्स। यानी क्या कैरेक्टर आए वुश्न या क्या ट्रेट आए वुश्न तम कंट्रोल करने खतर दे नीड मोर देन टू जीन्स। दो जीनों खत अलाव यमन जरूरत ताकि तम कंट्रोल गस्त। तो तथ इनहेरिटेंस यथ मज कैरेक्टर कंट्रोल करने खतर वी नीड more than 2, 3 or more than 3 genes. That type of inheritance is called as polygenic inheritance. Clear? So अगर मैं define ऐसे करूँ polygenic inheritance, it is that type of inheritance in which a character is controlled or a trait is controlled or expressed by more than 2 genes. Whatever it may be. So that type of inheritance is called as polygenic inheritance. It is also called as quantitative inheritance. It is also called as quantitative inheritance. In polygenic inheritance, it is also called as quantitative inheritance. These are two words, quality and quantity. This is called as qualitative inheritance, whereas this polygenic is called as quantitative inheritance. So this is also called as continuous. NCERT this is also called as continuous inheritance. It's also called as continuous inheritance, whereas Mendelism is called as discontinuous. It is called as discontinuous inheritance. तो ये explain करने खातिर इस किस पर करो इस explain को polygenic inheritance. How we explain this polygenic inheritance? Well, for that, there is a best example: human skin color. To explain polygenic inheritance, we take an example of human skin color. Scientist talks, he's called as Davenport. Davenport, C.B. Davenport is Mistanan. Yimzani study course skin color. The earth mazabushin is a skin color show. It is controlled by more than 2 genes. The Yabushi is a skin color show. There are 3 genes. Suppose the genes are A, B, and C. There are 3 genes which control human skin color. The human skin color in Southern Ocean chase, it is of 2 types. One is called as dominant. Dominant is shown darkest in those. Yeah, dark. As in NCR is darkest. As the neatest question of that is dark, black, darkest. Go need using key answer, so that is from your NCR. It has actually darkest. Go step with some dark. Dark is untrue, it is controlled by AA, BB, CC. These are 3 genes which control this dark color. This is dominant. When you issue, this is dominant trait. In a dark color or black color is untrue. It is African race. It is an African race that is dark color, but that is dominant trait or character. Dark description, white. Yeah. NCR is particularly light color. Actually, light, sorry, light, that is one lightest. What is darkest? This is one is sorry, white, that is called as lightest. So, it's a white color, it is recessive. So, for that, we can write small a, small b, small c, small c. Okay? The marriage between dark and white. The marriage is F1 hybrid. So F1 hybrid is one time by chance B, C. You are A, B, C. So suppose these are gametes. In certain pollination fertilization we have gamete formation and then what the gametes. So gamete there will be fertilization. Fertilization in certain gases use an F1 near that will be capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, small. So in Hazikit Pardon, agar yad as or half as capital R, capital Y, darken small r, small y. Yeah, round yellow, round green. Yeah, going from F1 has capital R, small capital Y, small y. Go if a person shows F1 is a name, yes, capital A, capital B, small b, capital C. So this will be its genotype. The phenotype cases, you can according to Mendelism, you can dark. According to Mendelism, this should be dark, but this was intermediate. This was intermediate. If participating I see. I say incomplete dominance I'm certain near to plant. Yes, dark flower, yes, snapdragon, antenna. And I'm certain cross pollination F1 red color, that was intermediate. If I put in certain universe, dark and white. Fertilization guy use an F1 hybrid that was intermediate. According to Mendelism, it was dark, but this was intermediate. The path F2 generation I can. An F1 hybrid sheet, human eye path self pollination guy, for example, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Suppose this is male. Suppose this will be male. So female can voice. So capital A, small a, capital B, capital C, small c. Well, this will be female. Yem satan males must the gamete formation guys, females must the gamete formation guys. I sneer one thing mono hybrid cross. That was gamete is right. Shabash, call that. I sneer capital D, yeah. Cross with small d, small d. That was gamete is Shabash. Opinion is a gamete. Yem satan single pair of trait. He could objective. If there is a single pair of trait, there will be gamete formation. There will be two gametes. If a male, for example, these are sperms and these are pollen grains. These will be eggs. So, this is a female gamete, this is a male gamete. Clear? But there are two pairs of traits. Dihybrid cross, that is gamete, right? That is capital R, small r. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, either. So, in that four gamete. In certain two pairs of traits, gametes were 4. Combinations goes right? 16. Yet must goes right combination? In a case of test code, you have to test it. 4, yet goes there in 16. Why am I saying yet anymore? When I say yet must go gametes there. Shabash. You can't throw it quickly. You can't buy clear. Yes, sir. Go, if this is F1 hybrid, why is F2 generation? Yet you must say F1 hybrid. Go, it's now gamete formation. When circles gametes here. Shabash. Single pair, 2 gametes, 2 pair, 4 gametes, 3 pairs, how many gametes? Galmanai. None of the Kian gets in the ground here. And Banai gametes. If Palis Ra to capital R, teacher, Chaos, small r, capital Y, small y. As Bono gamete, Navanet and Satan, Yensi Dimawad yet, Ravoniti. Patron yaktia, Kozais, Patron Somalias can Kozgate, Patron Yaskosai, so a really question at the gametes one now. Shabash went the what do you make coming? Shabash. Use your IQ. So one to capital A, capital B, capital C, this will be one gamete. Doyum, capital A, capital B, small c. Here gamete, Chati. Train कैसे नहीं capital A, small b, capital C. छठी train शाबाश capital A, small b, capital C. Small c शाबाश small a ठीक बे small A, capital B, capital C. मैंने बे कौन सा है 1 2 3 4 5 small A, capital B, small c, बने कौन-सा है शाबाश small A, small B, capital C, बने बैगुस पर small A, small B, small C, कौन-सा है बे का combination है क्या किसने repeat कैसे combination है क्या बे भी शाबाश मैं सबको गलत हूँ तो इधर correct это मैं को गलत मैंने तो firm तीसरी से की गलती किसने that is Magogalas. Correct it. Beka combination, Beka gamete नहीं रहे. शाबाश. लगाओ जोर. So कैसे repeat कर सकते हैं? That should not get repeated. वो मैं उन God में player capital A, capital B, capital C. कैसे ऐसे नहीं है? Last player small A, small B. बाकी ऐसे between. Partners capital A, capital B, small C. Capital A, small B, capital C. Capital A, small B, small C. Small a, capital B, small capital C, small a, capital small, capital R, small. Is there any possibility? So, how many gametes are there? 8. So, I can put shade. Not to the shade. First, मैं जवाब दिन नोट पहले ये ना इसको इस्तेमाल करो ना अरे सोच लो वो यम सातन 1 pair of तजाए 2 gamete यम सातन 2 pair तजाए 4 gamete मगर यम सातन 3 pairs ही there are how many 8 gametes when certain 8 gametes die how many combinations will be there 64 क्या इसके यम सात squaring है यम सात squaring करो वादा 2 2 are 4 वादा 4 4 are 16 ये कैसे 8 8 are that will be 64 वो अगर यह chi square टेस्ट करो गैमेट्स थी याद कि मुश्किल गन ठीक है वन वो ये सोरे बोर्ड्स पे कह हेचन खुद हे पे क्रास गर वो खान बनाव तेल गैमेट्स हेको एक्स कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी कैपिटल सी क्या वन कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल कैपिटल स्मॉल 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 कैपिटल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल 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 कैपिटल स्मॉल 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 ठीक वहाँ करो ठीक पढ़ और these will be gametes वो बनाए some chi square test या पढ़ इसके किम दुत मैं वही नहीं ये किम दुत शाबाश वो पॉइंट में मिसोस पॉइंट ना हो पॉइंट का नाम था असली लिए वो कब बनाऊं जैसे रे z 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 वो इस पर क्या बनाओ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is पाना और राव इस these will be 8 okay that will be 8 combinations go agar yum male gametes suppose these are male gametes these are sperms there will be female gamete also female gamete ki nahi then ki nahi कैसे नहीं है कैसे जीनोटाइप्स हैं सेम कैपिटल स्पेस ए बी सी पति स्मॉल है या कैपिटल है वो इससे कोई अगर मेल गैमेट हमने फीमेल के ऐसे कैपिटल है इसे पढ़ो ए बी सी इधर पढ़ो ए बी सी वो अगर इस यपर मोकस मेल गैमेट यम साइड यपर के मोकस फीमेल गैमेट वो इट्स कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी कैपिटल सी इट्स कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी स्मॉल सी कैपिटल ए स्मॉल कैपिटल बैक कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल बी कैपिटल बैक स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल बैक स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल वो अगर यपर मोकस मेल गैमेट्स ठीक यपर क्या मोकस फीमेल गैमेट्स गो पत यम साथ वो गोडनिक हाब गोडनिक क्या कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी कैपिटल सी क्या अगर बे या कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी कैपिटल सी ठीक यह तरियो पे क्रॉस तो गर यपर दिमो यम गैमेट्स यपर कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल स्मॉल कैपिटल लास्ट को स्मॉल गो यम सात तुम ये गलती क्या ठीक पे चार्ट बन कह गो असल पे चार्ट बन कित पे गो पे तुलो क्रॉसिंग यह करो ये कुछ तुलो पे तुलो दोम यह करो ये पे मानो हाइट क्लास फॉर एग्जाम्पल तक बनाओ chi square ठीक है वो तक वो कैपिटल स्मॉल ठीक ये लाव क्या बन कैपिटल ये क्या बन कैपिटल स्मॉल पे गो यह कैपिटल स्मॉल पे गो यह स्मॉल वो इथे पे सेम बिहेव अथस तक बराबर इथे पे पर वो थान ये ठीक यानी कि कर गए होम असाइनमेंट फॉर यू तो रेशो था वो रेशो इज अ नेम दैट विल बी 1:6:15:20:15:6:1 रेशो 1:6:15 हर एनसीईआरटी पे रेशो दिस मगर पता गई आसी क्या नहीं रेशो 1:60:15:20:15:15:1 कुछ तो ना यूथ के रोज याद ना यूथ के रोज याद आप साइड से याद है सर ये पे क्या 1:6:15:20 15:6 वो ये तो थे यार 1:6:15 ये पे कोई एंट्री वाला 15:6:1 Look at 1:6:15 रोज याद हपर करियो हपर लिखि बड पोस रिवर्स बड 15 पास 6 पात पान माजस क्या छु 20 गो छु 1 but out of 64 you should 6 but out of 64 15 out of 64 20 out of 64 15 out of 64 out of 64 out of 64 the one number one it will be darkest या स्टूत krun ना Sure, look to him some scarf, black and hot, black as go and some darkest. So first will be Nikas darkest case for term istimal, as NCR is better should be darkest. In after darkest. So this will be darkest. This will be lightest. Yes, two separate the America's white. That's one is Sayafan, the Sayafan, white and black. So complete white eyes. So the white eyes things was lightest. Use on complete dark eyes. African rare should have vision. Imson zabardast black asan. So that will be called as darkest. So this is called as polygenic inheritance. In inheritance, yet some character controlled guys by more than 2 genes, 3, 4, whatever it may be. So it is called as quantitative inheritance, or it is called as polygenic inheritance. So your poly is on the promote start picture. So your channel पढ़ेंगे बयान दिया so thank you आज पता नहीं period drop is last of